Exponential functions and equation. When we say exponential functions, the f of x, the g of x, and the h of x. So exponential functions, evaluate the exponential functions given the value of x. First example, f of x is equals to 4 raised to x. So we are just going to substitute x to the given value. So f, then our x is negative 1. 4 raised to negative 1, we have the inverse, which is 1/4. 4, and then our x is 2. 4 raised to 2, or 4 squared, we got 16. Okay, 1/4 and 16. Example number 2, f of x is equals to 2 raised to negative 2x. So first example of x, first given value of x is negative 1. Substitute x, change x into the given value, which is negative 1, equal to 2. Negative 2 times negative 1, we have positive 2. 2 raised to 2, or 2 squared, we have 4. Next, 2 raised to negative 2, our x is positive 2. Simplify. 2, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Simplify po natin. 2 raised to 4, or 1 raised to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, we got 16. 4 and 1/16. Exponential functions, solutions of exponential functions. Example number 1. Find the zero of the function y is equals to 2 raised to 3x minus 2. Okay, substitute y into 0. So 0 is equals to 2 raised to 3x minus 2. And then, transpose po natin si negative 2 and that we have to add both sides sa opposite po nito. So, opposite niyan is positive 2 is equal to 2 raised to 3x minus 2 plus 2. Po. So, 2 is equals to 2 raised to 3x. Since same base na po yan, we can get the value of our x. So this one have an exponent 1. 1 is equals to 3x, and to get the value of x, divide both side by 3. X is equals to 1/3. Example number 2, find the zero of the function 7 raised to x squared plus x minus 49. This one, equate po natin siya sa 0 is equals to 7x squared plus x minus 49. Para si 49 mawala dito sa side, we have to add the opposite, which is positive 49. And of course, dapat sa kabila din. 7x squared plus x minus 49 plus 49. So 49 is equal to 7 raised to x squared plus x. And then same base po dapat. So 49, we can have 7 squared. Because we know that 7 squared is equals to 49. 7 raised to x squared plus x. Since same base na po yan, we can have now our 2 is equals to x squared plus x. Combined like terms, wala na po. So, lipat na lang po natin. I-equate po natin siya sa 0. Okay po. Opposite one of positive 2 is negative 2. Equal to x squared plus x minus 2. 0 na po yan. So, matitira is x squared plus x minus 2. And then, factor po natin x times x, because 2 numbers multiply the answers, x squared, and 2 numbers multiply the answer is 2, which is x and 2 and 1. And then, pag pinag-add, we can have the positive 1. So, x plus 2 and x minus 1. Kasi 2 minus 1, 1. x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to negative 2. X minus 1 is equals to 0. So we have x is equals to negative 1. Next, example number 3, same po with number 2. So equal to 0 yan. 0 is equals to 2 raised to x squared minus 3x minus 16. And 16 dapat lipat sa kabila. Negative 16 yan. So we have to add positive 16 in both sides. Minus 3x minus 16 plus 16. 16 is equals to 2 raised to x squared minus 3x. Mawawala na po to. Negative 16 plus 16 is 0. And now, dapat same ng base. We all know that 2 raised to 4, we got 16. 2x squared minus 3x. Since same base na po, magiging 4 is equals to x squared minus 3x. And then equate natin sa 0. Dapat mag-0 ang yung isang side. So we have to add the opposite of positive 4, which is negative 4. Equal to x squared minus 3x minus 4. 0. So x squared is equals to 3x minus 4. Then factor po natin x times x. Two numbers, multiply, the answer is x squared, x times x. Two numbers, the answer is 4. We have 2 times 2. Pero pag pinag-add natin or pinag-minus natin, dapat sasagot tayo sa 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So hindi. Aside from 2 plus 2 times 2, we got 4 times 1. 4 minus 1, we got 3. And then, since negative yan, yung malaking number ang magdadala po, no? Positive sign. X minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to positive 4. X plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to negative 1. So that's it. Find the 0 of the function, exponential function. Now let's have an exponential equation. Solution of exponential equations. In this one, there are two methods. If hindi po natin ma-same base, we use a logarithmic form. Example number 1, solve for the value of x in 5 raised to x is equals to 625. So 5 raised to x is equals to 625. Again, pag hindi kayang is-same base, gagamitan ng logarithmic form. Pero ito, kaya po natin. Since we all know that 625, it can be 5 raised to 4. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, times 5 is 625. Since same base, yung exponent na lang po, which is x is equal to 4. And that's the answer for example number 1. Now, solve for the x in 2 raised to x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 1. Dapat same po ng base, 3x minus 4. Pag hindi same ng base, logarithmic form ang gagamitin natin. But this example, we can have ang 2, we can have 2 raised to 0. Kasi po, 2 raised to 0, the answer is 1. Same base na po, so we can solve for the value of x or the solutions of x. Two numbers, the answer, factor po natin, x times x. Two numbers, multiply, the answer is 4, and then add or minus, we can have 3. So same, 3 and 4 times 1 is 4, and then since negative po yan, meaning isa sa kanila magdadala ng negative sign. And that, to decide, tingnan po ang middle term. Middle term is negative, meaning yung malaking number ang negative. X minus 4 is equals to 0. So I have x is equals to positive 4. X plus 1 is equals to 0. x is equals to negative 1. Example number 3, solve for the value of x in 7 raised to x is equal to 12. In the hindi na natin siya mahanapan ng paraan paano magkapareho ng base. So we use the second method, which is the logarithm or natural logarithm. So 7x, so we can have the power of logarithms. So yung power of logarithm x, natural logarithm of 7 is equals to natural logarithm of 12. Logarithmic form po. Okay, and then to get the value of x, divide both side by natural number of 7. Para po mawala si 7, x na lang po ang matitira. Division property. Use a calculator so we can have 1.77 for the value of our x. Example number 3, solve for the x in value of 15x raised to x is equals to 43. Again, same with example number 3, we cannot get the same base. So power of logarithms, gagamitin natin x. Natural logarithm of 15 is equal to natural logarithm of 43. And then divide both sides by natural logarithm 15. Para po ay x na lang, the division property. Cancel out, x is equals to, same again, use a calculator so we can have 1.389. Natural logarithm 43 divided by natural logarithm 15, we can get 1.389. So that's it, the exponential functions and equation.